In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, download, and use Clip Studio assets in Clip Studio Paint. Clip Studio Assets is your built-in library for expanding what you can do in Clip Studio Paint, from time-saving brushes and tones to ready-made materials and even 3D models. We'll walk through the entire flow so you can go from discovering an asset to using it in your artwork in just a few moments. Start by opening the Clip Studio Assets tab. You can get there from the Clip Studio launcher before you open the main program, or directly inside Clip Studio Paint by opening the Assets section. Either way, you'll see a storefront-like page with categories, search, and previews. If you're working in the main app, keep your canvas open so you can try your downloads right away. Use the search bar to look for what you need. Type clear keywords like watercolor brush, fabric texture, 3D chair, or halftone. You can refine the results by category to focus on brushes, materials, 3D models, or tones. Take a second to read the asset's description and check any preview images or short videos. Creators often include helpful usage notes, recommended settings, and examples. If you're unsure which term to use, try broader words first, then narrow down as you see what appears. When you find something you want, click Download on the asset. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator. Keep the window open and give it a moment to finish. Once it completes, it's added to your library and becomes available in Clip Studio Paint automatically. Now switch to the Material palette in Clip Studio Paint to locate your new download. If you don't see the Material palette, open it from the window menu. Most newly downloaded items appear in a Downloads or similar folder inside that palette. You can also use the search field at the top of the Material palette to find the asset by name. Brushes may show up in brush-related folders, while tones, 3D models, and general materials stay in their respective categories. To use the asset, simply drag it from the Material palette. For textures, tones, and 3D models, drag directly onto your canvas, and a new layer or object will appear where you drop it. For brushes, drag the brush material onto your subtool palette to add it to your tools, then make a quick test stroke to confirm it feels right. You can rearrange where it sits in your tool list so it's easy to access later. That's it. Open assets, search, download, find it in the material palette, and drag it where you need it. With a few practice runs, you'll build a personalized toolkit that speeds up your workflow and keeps your art fresh.